Well, hello, Sullivan. Hello, Finn. It's Papa. How you doing? You doing okay? Papa loves you. You know that. All right. I'm glad you're tuning in to my channel. So I'm just thinking of something we can talk about this morning. Let's see what Papa's got here. You see this drill? You see Papa's drill? See that? See that? That's a drill. It's got a little Phillips head screwdriver on the end. And you must be very careful with tools. Be very careful. Okay, here's some screws down here. And you can see the screwdriver goes on the screw. And you turn it. Screw it in. You see? All right, screwdriver, power screwdriver, screws. All right, and if you come over here to Papa's tool drawers, you can see a regular screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, right? Screwdriver. You can see some earmuffs, hearing protection. All right, you want to see Papa put on his hearing protection? See? When your ears, when you loud noises, you put these over your ears like that. Right? Just like that. And I have some channel locks. See the pliers, channel locks? Use these. Must be very careful. Papa has a tape rule. All right, see the tape rule? You measure with the tape rule. See? You know what that is. You've seen that before. What else has Papa got? A wrench. This is an open end wrench. See, the end is open. All right, and this is a closed end wrench. Closed end. Open end, closed end. Wrenches. Vice grips. You see the vice grips? Papa's vice grips. All right, what else? We got a clamp. See the clamp? Papa's got tendonitis in his elbow. He can barely even open the clamp. Papa's getting old. We have a Carolina crescent wrench. All right, you ask your daddy, Finn, about a Carolina crescent. You Carolina boys love a crescent wrench. All right, we have a marker, permanent marker to write. Papa writes. See, a marker. What else has Papa got? Let's see here. This is a chisel, a wood chisel. Chisel. Here is a mirror. You can look in the mirror. That is a mirror. See? Papa can see himself. Papa has some gloves to protect your hands. You wear gloves. See, like this. Papa puts on the glove. Glove. No glove. Glove. That is Papa's wedding ring. You see the ring? That means that Papa is married to Gigi. Gigi put that ring on my finger 27 years ago. I love that little girl. All right, what else does Papa have? This is a C-clamp. C-clamp looks like the letter C. A, B, C. C-clamp, you can tighten it up. All right, boys. What else? What else? This is a tractor pin. It goes in the 3-point hitch on the tractor. This is a book. See Papa's book. Leadership 101. This is a book. Let me see if I can get a quote for you. You must live with people to know their problems and live with God in order to solve them. You must live with people to know their problems and live with God in order to solve them. Leadership 101. John Maxwell, great author. Great mind. All right, I got that for you in my toolbox if you ever want to look at it. It's right here. What else does Papa have? All right. Let's see here. Papa has some snips, some tin snips to cut tin. Cut some aluminum flashing. Papa has a brush. See the brush? That's what Papa brushes his teeth with. This is a wood plane, a plane. All right, yes. Ask your daddy about using that. I think Jared and Ian have used a wood plane before. See, it's got a little blade right there. Be careful, you don't cut yourself. Be careful. All right, what else does Papa have? I'm right here, hold on. Papa has a hammer. This is a hammer. And that's what you nail nails with the hammer. That's a hammer. You must be careful. Don't let the hammer hit your head. Don't let it hit your eyes. Right? You be very careful. It's heavy. Speaking of eyes, Papa has glasses. See, Papa's glasses. Before you start working with your tools, you put on safety glasses so nothing can hurt your eyes. Safety glasses, right? Put on safety glasses. All right. Hammer. This is a nail puller or a pry bar. Pull nails out. Boom, boom, boom. This is a ratchet and a socket. The socket goes on the ratchet, see? That's a 1/2-inch drive. Put it on like that, and then you turn it to take the nut off. A big tractor Carolina Crescent. That's what Papa uses on his tractor. Carolina Crescent. Adjustable wrench right there. All right, here's a pipe wrench. That is a pipe wrench. You turn that to make it open and close. Papa's opening it. Turn it, you open it. You turn it to close it. Pipe wrench. And this is a monkey wrench. This is a monkey wrench. All right, use that to tighten up monkeys. Monkey wrench. What else is that here? Here's a big hammer. That's a big hammer. It's a maul. All right, a little 5-pound maul. I think it's a 5-pounder. You hammer with that. All right. Sully John. All right, Finn. That's a maul. All Papa has anything else too interesting. That is a no-no. You never play with that. Be very careful. That's the most dangerous tool in the toolbox. That will hurt you, cut you. Stay away from that. Stay away from that. Will hurt you. Needle nose pliers. Pliers. Little wire cutter on the pliers. Electrical pliers. All right. Little cutters. See Papa's tools. Let's see. What is that tool? I just found that in my toolbox. Who is that? That looks like a little Picadeets. That's a Picadeets tool. Some tape. Papa has some tape. Tape. All right. What else does Papa have in his toolbox? Papa has a picture of somebody getting some candy corn. Dio and Joey. There's a duck. You see that duck? All right, what else might Papa have to show you? Man, up to 11 minutes. I'm giving your mommy a break. You're watching Papa being good boy, sitting in your chair. Allen wrench. See, Allen wrench. Take these out. Put it on your little Allen bolt. Allen wrench. Here's a file. You see the file? You see that tool? Yeah. Get that file on a piece of steel. Clean it up. There's another one of Papa's toothbrush. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. See Papa brushing his teeth? Always brush your teeth. Clean teeth are important. Fresh breath is important. You have good oral hygiene. Always brush your teeth, wash your mouth, wash your face. Stay clean. It's important to smell good, stay clean. And these are matches. These are hot. These are hot. Don't play with these. They're hot. They'll hurt you. Fire. See that? That's fire. That's a good thing if you're careful, but you got to be very careful. That's hot. It'll hurt you. Papa blow out the fire. You see the smoke. Only with your mommy and your daddy. It's hot. 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 All right. What else? What else? Here's some nice little stickers. Papa's got some stickers. You see that? These are in here for you. If Papa dies, this is all Joey's to share with you. All right, all this, all the drums, Joey knows who gets what. So you make sure you talk to Joey. Here's some little bocce ball tape when you play bocce ball. All right, see who's the closest. All right, boys. Well, hopefully you learned a little something. And I love you. Papa loves you. Be a good boy. And I'll make another video for you tomorrow. I just gave your mommy 14 minutes to chill out. Love you.